Welcome back. You're watching All About Ads Prime. It's a startup mega story. The story of 21-year-old Ritesh Agarwal, a college dropout who built Oyo Rooms and even managed to raise $100 million from Japan's SoftBank. Oyo Rooms is a Gurgaon-based tech-driven budget hotel aggregator that was launched in 2013 to provide standardized facilities. These are rooms that cost anywhere between 999 to 1500 rupees, and they have about 15,000 rooms across 86 cities already. But before we go into more details about that, here is a communication that was released recently by Oyo.
ज़माना लुटाया है दिल ने।
क्या हुआ?
क्या?
गाओ ना।
नहीं
नहीं, इतना अच्छा तो गा रही थी, गाओ।
नहीं ना।
अच्छा ठीक है। आज डिनर में क्या खाना पसंद करेंगे मैडम?
कुछ भी।
क्या कुछ भी? आज तो स्पेशल डिनर होना चाहिए। तुम्हारा हैप्पी बर्थडे रोज थोड़ी ना आता है। ऊपर से पति भी मेहरबान। तो हुक्म करो मेरे आका।
तो ऐसी बात है।
बताओ, चाइनीज या अंग्रेजी?
इंडियन।
इंडियन? वेज या नॉन वेज?
वेज।
वेज? अच्छा ठीक है, स्टार्टर में कबाब ऑर्डर कर लेते हैं।
वेज ना।
बिरयानी। और फिर ग्रेवी में तो पनीर रोगन जोश या पनीर कोरमा कर लेंगे। और स्वीट डिश तो तुम छोड़ोगे नहीं, तो गुलाब जामुन।
That Indian. Shruti. ठीक। Help. कोई
Take him out. He doesn't belong here.
शायद कुछ ऐसा ही होता अगर आज भी हमारा देश आजाद न होता। कितने खुश नसीब हैं कि हमारा जन्म एक आजाद देश में हुआ है, कि हम एक आजाद देश में जी रहे हैं, आजाद भारत में। आजादी के 68 साल पूरे होने पर हर एक स्वतंत्रता सेनानी को पूरे दिल से कोटि कोटि नमन। उन्होंने अपना सब कुछ न्यौछावर कर दिया बस इसलिए कि हम एक स्वतंत्र भारत में सांस ले सकें। जय हिंद।
Joining us on Brand Speak this week from Oyo Rooms, Chief Operating Officer, he's Mr. Abhinav Sinha. Thank you very much, Abhinav, for joining us on All About Ads Prime.
My pleasure.
We just had a look at the communication itself. So what was the purpose of that communication, really?
Hospitality has been a space which has not seen a lot of innovation, not only in India but worldwide. So when we realized that we are pioneers in this space and we are doing something very new and really solving a problem for the Indian budget traveler, in the context of Independence Day, we found that, you know, it's a matter of huge pride for us to be able to be in this space where you can live and breathe in the fresh air, and the customer is getting smarter day by day. The customer is very savvy. So just throwing out deals, which is based on price, is not going to take you far. You have to have a very core set of promises that you deliver over time and time again.
So let's talk about your structure. It's not a traditional marketing structure that you have in place, right? Tell us quickly a little bit about that.
There is some traditional thinking around it, of course. So we do have an online marketing team and an offline marketing team, but the innovation comes around how the leadership thinks about marketing. So we have the Chief Executive Officer Ritesh, operations being led by me, and there is a Chief Growth Officer Kavikrut. And together the three of us think about marketing in a way where we think about the core problem that we are solving, and accordingly the promises that we have to make to the consumer, and therefore how do we best go out and communicate these promises to the consumer. So the thinking has to be consistent across everything that we do in operations, every growth initiative that we undertake.
Is the role of the Chief Marketing Officer now practically redundant in startups because it's pace that matters, and that is something that a traditional Chief Marketing Officer is not able to keep pace with? Do you agree?
There are a lot of startups who have innovated already around the role of the Chief Marketing Officer. Traditional way of thinking about marketing is passé, and you know there are a lot of new ways in which this is being thought about. The key also is to have that thinking in place and also to have that execution in place. The traditional role of the Chief Marketing Officer therefore has also changed.
So with your presence online, where does traditional media really hold a place?
Traditional media will continue to play a very important role. You know, we are a new generation online brand, but we have physical assets, hotels out there, which guests, there's a brand up there and the guests walk in through the door. So it's an unbelievable opportunity to do something in the traditional media. If you are a mass brand, you cannot stay away from the traditional media. But online is a great, great platform for you to get targeted, for you to really reach out to the early adopters first.
So a few years ago, big brands were used to that one big splash of, you know, advertising and a huge expenditure during the festival season. Now we are seeing, you know, perhaps 4 campaigns a year. For startups like yourself, it's more of about being consistent, really. So that requires an allocation of resources towards brand building. Is that going to be a significant thrust?
In a startup, the challenge always is the funds that are available. There are always so many areas that you can divert these funds in, and they will all give you very healthy returns. Branding has to be again thought of in the long term. No startup at this point of time can say that, you know, brand building is not important. It is, the key is how you innovate and come up with smart ways of building your brand.
One last thing before we let you go, what are your future priorities? Say if we were just to keep in mind 2015-16.
One of the most important priorities for us is to increase the awareness of our brand. We would really like to convert OYO into a mass brand. Two is we really want to continue reinventing the brand around the lines of communicating the essence of being an innovator. And the third, which is the most important part, is we continue to make sure that consumer understands the problem that we are solving.
We can go on speaking about this, but thank you for your insight, especially on the evolving and changing structures and the outlook towards marketing, branding, and of course advertising. Thank you very much, Abhinav,
Thank you.
for
Thank
joining
you as
us.
well.
That's it from all of us at All About Ads Prime. From the entire team, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again same time, same place next week.